How to secure your ConnectYu account from hackers. Securing your ConnectYu account from hackers is very important because your account carries your money wallet and hence your money. To secure your ConnectYu account, follow these procedures. The case for mobile. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking, scroll down on the drop-down list and select Settings. On the Settings page, click on Security. After clicking on Security, you'll find a drop-down list with 3 alternatives, that is, Privacy, Password, Manage Sessions. Privacy. Firstly, to manage your privacy, click on Privacy to go to the Privacy Settings page. On the Privacy Settings page, proceed as follows. Click on the drop-down fields to choose who can follow you, who can message you, who can see your friends, who can post on your timeline, who can see your birthday. Confirmation of requests when someone follows you, show your activities, your status, share your location with the public, allow search engines to index your profile and posts respectively. This is how the status feature works. Suppose you are online and you don't want other users to notice you, simply set your status to offline and vice versa. After that, hit the Save button to save your changes. Password. Secondly, to change your password, click on Password. Clicking on Password takes you to the Password Settings page. On this page, you will find a Change Password form. In this form, fill in your current password, your new password twice, and select on the drop-down input to enable or disable two-factor authentication. After doing that, click the Save button to save. Manage Sessions. Lastly but not the least, under the Security drop-down is the Manage Sessions feature. The Manage Sessions feature enables you to manage your sessions based on devices you have logged on to, their IP address, and gives you the possibility to log out from all sessions. Suppose you forget to log out your account from a device and you are on another, this feature will enable you to do that with ease. To manage your sessions, follow these procedures. Click on Manage Sessions. Clicking on this takes you to the Manage Sessions page. On this page, you will be able to log out from all sessions by clicking the Log Out from All Sessions button. Also, you can log out of a particular session by clicking on the clear icon.